The summer season is fast approaching. You might be concerned that your air conditioning system won't make it through the heat. If you suspect that your air conditioning system might fail this summer, then this is the video for you. Let's review the common warning signs of a failing AC unit. 1. Air conditioners 10 years of age or older. If your air conditioner is 10 years old or older, then you should only repair it if you can't afford a new system. At this age, your air conditioning unit is most likely at the end of its lifespan. In fact, 10 years indicates a higher than average lifespan. If you have a particularly old model, you might want to consider investing in an inverter AC. In these units, an inverter is used to control the compressor speed. The power given to the compressor is based on how hot or how cold the room is. The ability to gauge how much power to use results in lower energy bills. 2. Hot air only. If you're not feeling any or very little cold air, then you probably need air conditioning repair. A reduction in the cold air often means that your air conditioning compressor has stopped working. It's the job of the compressor to circulate the refrigerant that allows the air conditioner to produce cold air. To make matters worse, your refrigerant may be leaking in a case like this. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, act quickly. Leaking refrigerant can pose a health risk to your family. 3. Air conditioning repair for no airflow. Low or no airflow means that the ducts in the air conditioning system are not working as they should. It's possible that the debris may have gotten caught in them. Air ducts that are blocked by debris can pose a health risk, especially if this debris also consists of decomposing insects or the droppings of small animals. Polluted airflow can cause the onset of respiratory disease or worsen an existing breathing problem. The best way to prevent these issues is to get the air conditioning repaired before the heat of the summer sets in. 4. A thermostat that's broken. There are times when the issue isn't with the air conditioner itself, but with the thermostat in the unit. If certain parts of your home are cool and other parts are hot, then it's likely that the thermostat is malfunctioning. A malfunctioning thermostat will cause even an inverter AC to malfunction. A broken thermostat may cause the inverter to feed the compressor more power. The result is higher electricity bills. If you're lucky, the malfunction will lean in the other direction, resulting in less power going to the compressor. 5. Weird sounds and odors. If you hear squealing, grating, or grinding, then your air conditioner is struggling. Squealing often means that a belt has slipped off from somewhere. Grating sounds may indicate that metal bearings in the unit need lubricating. A grinding noise indicates that motor bearings are broken. Then, if you smell a pungent odor coming from your unit, then wire insulation may be burnt. Or, if you're smelling something musty, then you probably have mold growing in your unit. The condition of your air conditioner during the summer can mean the difference between comfort and misery. Heat that is unbearable during the summer months can result in sleepless nights, heat rash, and a flare-up in respiratory conditions. If you'd like to learn more about air conditioning repair and how to keep your AC in tip-top shape, then visit our website today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.